Okay, so we're going to balance some equations for making salts. So we need to add a coefficient or big number in front of this substance here. So to do that, I'm going to look at what elements I've got. So I've got K, which is potassium. So I'm going to check over on this side, and it's showing me that I need 2 potassiums. So the only way that I'm going to be able to balance this equation is by putting a 2 here. Now you should also be able to see that creates 2 OHs, which are accounted for over here. In this equation, again, I've got 2 lithiums on this side, and I've only got 1 on this side, so I would need to make this a 2 to double this whole molecule. In this case over here, I'm looking at H's and Cl's. If I go over to this side, you can see that I've actually got 2 Cl's in this molecule here. So it must mean that I need 2 HCl's over here to create 2 Cl's here. If you count up all of the hydrogens now on this side, well, in fact they are balanced as well, because we've got 2 H's in this molecule, and we've got 2 here, which would equal 4, which also equals 4 over here, 2 lots of 2. Okay, number 4. We need to balance the amount of waters. So let's go over to the other side and see what's going on in terms of H's and O's. So over here, I've got 2 O's, because this whole part here is in a bracket. So that means that everything in the bracket is times by 2. So I've got 2 O's, I've also got 2 H's. So I need to obviously have 2 O's over here. Okay, so there's nothing else on this side that contains an O. So if we just go back to check our H's then, well, we had 2 here, but we've also got 2 here. And that's good because it now balances our 4 hydrogens on this side, 2 lots of 2. Okay, number 5. I've got nitric acid, HNO3, being added to zinc hydroxide to make zinc nitrate and 2 lots of water. So I need to have a little look on this side to find out what's going on. So you can think of the NO3 as kind of hanging around together as a group. Now if we look over here, there's actually 2 lots of them. So I'm going to go straight over here and pop a 2 in. And then we can just double check that it all works out in terms of other atoms involved. So we've got 2 lots of H from this molecule, added to another 2 lots of H here. So in total on this side, we have 4 atoms of hydrogen. Now if we go over to this side, that's absolutely brilliant because look, we have 4 atoms of hydrogen here. Okay, number 6. We've got 2 lots of nitric acid being added to magnesium hydroxide to form magnesium nitrate plus some waters. Okay, so I'm going to have a look here at my O's. So I said before that we can keep the NO3s together. So I'm going to keep that NO3 over there. And I'm going to have a little look at what's going on with my hydrogens. So I've got 2 lots of hydrogen within the hydroxide, okay, and 2 lots of O's. So I'm going to go ahead and put a 2 here. Okay, and we can just go back and double check now. So I've got 4 lots of hydrogen on this side, which is absolutely perfect because I've got 2 lots of hydrogen here plus 2 here, which makes 4. And then I've got 2 lots of O's matching this 2 lots of O's. So we are all sorted.